Today I'm going to be unboxing new coffee maker I got from Target. It was on sale for $15 and I wanted a coffee maker for my room. So here's the coffee maker box. It's a Mr. Coffee maker, and I'm not sure how much it was originally, but it was a nice coffee maker, and it was for $15, so you know, you can't really pass that up, I suppose. Yeah. It makes about 5 cups, and it has a timer and everything. So, and it's basically like every other coffee maker other than that. Go ahead and unbox it right now. I undid the tape already. Throw it in the box. Pamphlet fell on the ground. Just focus that. Mr. Coffee tells you everything, maybe different languages. Yeah. So this is the actual coffee maker. Coffee maker comes in this plastic, and then I'm just gonna cut that off. I don't know, sort of tricky, not too bad. And here it is, back. So the coffee pot that it comes with is wrapped in plastic. It's about yay big, you know, not too big. Top, you put the water in there. Oh, no you don't. You put the water in here, and the coffee goes in here. And then it has a little thumb thing right there, so that's the side. It has a tape plastic on the top, like a saran wrap, to make sure the top doesn't fly off. There we go. Alright, so I just went ahead and took that plastic off the top, the plastic, and if you open the lid, that is the place where your coffee filters and coffee will go. And also in the sides, it's the water reservoir. Next to the hole, it's the reservoir for the water, and then the hole is where the coffee filter goes. So on the front, there's the coffee pot sort of place where you put the coffee pot. It has like a depression thing, so it stays there. And then you have this screen which you can program the time and you have it start brewing at a certain time. And that's about it for the coffee maker. And then coffee pot goes under here like that, and then the coffee goes in. So I also got this coffee. I got coffee filters, brown ones, so the bleach from the paper doesn't get in the coffee and make it taste terrible. And I need some coffee, but I'll go to the grocery store tomorrow, so that's where I'll get the coffee. Probably Folgers. But thanks for watching.